Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and I'm super excited to have you back here. Today we are going to dive into the world of vintage synthesizers. So we'll be checking out an interesting vintage synthesizer by Behringer, and it is called Vintage Virtual Analog Synthesizer. This plugin brings the timeless warmth and character of vintage analog synthesizers right into your door. And the best part is, it is completely free. So today we're going to explore some of its amazing features. So if that sounds very interesting to you, sit tight as we dive right in. The Vintage Virtual Analog Synthesizer is built on meticulous modeling of legendary analog vintage synthesizers, ensuring authentic and rich soundscapes. It features two high-quality oscillators with a hard sync function and a wide range of selectable waveforms, including sine, square, soar, noise, and even a sub-oscillator for added depth. With two versatile filters offering 12 and 24 dB switchable low, high, and bandpass modes, as well as a notch and format options, you have full control over sculpting your sound. Plus, selectable drive curves add that classic analog saturation we all love. And don't worry about getting lost in complex routing schemes. Vintage makes it easy with easily accessible ADSR controls for both filters and amplitude models, as you can see here. Whether you prefer serial or parallel filtering, the choice is yours. And also to add, Vintage also features a noise generator with a color knob for controlling the low pass cutoff, as well as dual LFOs to modulate oscillators, filters, and amplifiers, with separate controls for rate, attack, delay, retriggering, and waveform selection. The sonic possibilities are endless. So guys, now let us hear Vintage in action. Alright, remember this plugin is completely free. Head over to the Behringer website and download Vintage today to experience the timeless sounds of vintage synthesizers right in your door. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more contents like this. Until next time, happy producing.